Today's video will focus on creating a RunSignUp race from within Race Director. The RunSignUp integration is most commonly used for races that use RunSignUp for registration. However, races that don't use RunSignUp for registration can still take advantage of the powerful results platform found within the Race Director Go toolset. This tutorial will walk through the process of setting up a race that is presently not set up within RunSignUp. In order to gain the full registration benefits of RunSignUp, it's strongly recommended that you set up your race using the race setup wizard found within RunSignUp. So, to begin, we're going to go to Tailor, Options, and we're going to select the Partner Setup tab. And you can see I've already entered my credentials, but there's no RSU race. So we're going to click Assign, and it's going to ask me what year the race takes place in. In this case, it's 2012. Then click OK. On the left-hand side are all my RunSignUp races. In this case, the RunSignUp race doesn't exist, so I'm going to have to add it. On this right-hand side here are the fields for creating a race within Race Director, so I'm going to fill out all the necessary fields. Zone, Los Angeles. Now this URL field here is the URL that the race will be accessible through on RunSignUp. The URLs are made as follows. So you have https runsignup.com/race/state/city/URL. So in our case, we're going to create a URL that's runsignup.com/race/CA for the state, California, San Francisco, and then it will be called Survivor Dash. You can create your own URL, or you can also let Race Director create it for you. So in this case, I'm going to let Race Director create it for me. I'm going to click Auto, and it's going to ask me if I'd like to create the URL. I'm going to say yes, and you can see it created Survivor Dash. So at this point, it's ready to create a new race. I'm going to click Add Current Race to RunSignUp, and it's going to ask me if I want to do so, and I'm going to say yes. So the next important concept is that Race Director will try to create a RunSignUp event for each division that's currently in your race. So you'll recall that events within RunSignUp are Race Director divisions. So it's going to ask me, hey, do you want to link the 5K run or create a event on RunSignUp? I'm going to say yes. Would you like to create one for the 10K? Sure. And then this was a throwaway division. And in this case, I'm going to say no. In cases that you have events that are not timed within your race, say for example a 1 mile fun walk, you don't necessarily need to link the division, and the reason that you wouldn't is that if you only have a certain amount of results credits, you don't want to be burning through those by uploading participants who won't be timed. Lastly, I'd like to just point out that you can see now your RSU race is, in this case, it's 19347, and it lists the race name, Survivor Dash. It's using the Race Director race name as the RunSignUp race name as well. You also have the links right here to access the race page as well as the results page. In a future video, we're going to cover the process of uploading results as well as doing other things pertaining to the Race Director Go interface. And that's a quick overview on creating a RunSignUp race from within Race Director. And thanks for watching.